1, go! Four-wheel drive Suzuki pickup. Going well. Into the garage, out of the garage. The quickest time of anybody so far, but hazards await down this final slalom through the cones, but he's got through the worst of it now. Can he make it a clean sweep around that final cone and in between the end cones, and he's got there in. The time to beat was 42.07, I think, and he's done it in 41.42. There is your champion, ladies and gentlemen. Ross is the winner. If he'd like to come forward and receive his jumping James is coming to present the money. Look at him here, even as we speak. Never mind. Get yourself in. So there. Presentations now are beginning to take place. The blue stage, for those of you who think you may have got anywhere, get yourself there. You don't need to be able to yourself there. So there, the winner of our competition in 2000.